I'm going to give you a preview of analysis. There is a lot going on in this comic book. There is a lot to chew on. It's action-packed. In this comic book, you have sexism, you have murder, and you have daddy issues. And I want you guys to know that you're not in this alone in trying to parse through all of these pages, analyzing this dense text. So that's what we're going to do today, is a preview of analysis. So first, I want you guys to read this poem by Shel Silverstein. I love that poem. So quick, I want to talk about a few things from the process of analysis. I want to talk about the difference between whats and whys and hows. In the earlier video, I talked about how your thesis, your topic sentences, and your arguments are all essentially the same animal. And I say they're lions, they're cougars, they're tabbies. They're all the same animal. Well, what I really meant was that they're whats. You know, they're your ideas. They're what you're arguing. They're what you believe. They're what you're trying to convince me. Okay? Your ideas. Your claims. Another big essay word is claim. What are your claims? It helps answer the question, so what's your point? Well, it's my whats. My thesis, my topics, my arguments. Those are whats. But you've got to explain those, right? Why do you feel that way you feel? How do you feel that you feel? So these are like explanations. They're also kind of because sentences. You know, if I tell you that Red Mill on Greenwood is the best place to buy a burger in the city of Seattle, that's my claim. Red Mill is the best place in the city of Seattle to buy a burger. Now, you might disagree with me and think it's Dick's. Maybe you're a Red Robin fan. Maybe you're a Five Guys fan, and that's cool. But this is my claim, and you're going to say, oh yeah, prove it. And I've got to have whys or hows. Why I feel Red Mill is the best. How I feel Red Mill is the best. So when you're exploring something, you don't just say what, you say why and how. This, ladies and gentlemen, is analysis. Okay? It's easy to argue, and this is what I believe, this is what I believe, this is what I believe, this is what I believe. But when someone looks you in the eye and says, why? You've got to be able to explore that and back yourself up. Practice this. Practice your whys and hows. That's you taking baby steps in towards analysis. Awesome? And just like little Melinda May, if you're willing to take these baby steps and say, well, why do I think that? How do I think that? Then you'll be able to do the bigger things and analyze a whole essay, or analyze a whole book, or analyze a whole play by Shakespeare. If you'll take the little bites, then you can eat the whole whale.